Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix two-factor authentication not working on WhatsApp. So first thing first, if you have added a two-factor authentication, whether that be a phone number through SMS or simply a authenticator app, make sure that is working. If it's an application, make sure that you have authenticator application in your device. If it's a phone number, make sure that phone number is valid and is working. Now this might also be a technical glitch, so head over to your Play Store or App Store, then search for WhatsApp. If you see update, select update. If you see open, that means your application is already updated. Go for settings, here scroll below and go for apps. In here also you have to search for WhatsApp, so type in WhatsApp and open it. Select storage, now clear the cache. Then come back onto app info page, force stop it, select OK. Now restart your device, launch your WhatsApp, try again and it will work.